What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. Today we're going to be getting ready for Glamis. We're putting this MisFit Garage Pro R bumper on. So we'll go ahead and show you how that mounts up. And it's pretty simple. We're going to start by removing these T40s and taking the front plastics off. So you have 4 here and then 2 on each side. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is remove the 4 bolts from your stock bumper. You're going to keep this hardware. It's going to be used on the new bumper that you put on. And these are 15 millimeter. Okay, so on the stock bumper, you do have 2 push pins here, I just noticed. So you're gonna have to remove those as well. And just try to catch that and don't let it hit the floor. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go ahead and install your MisFit bumper. Obviously, just thread these in by hand, and you want to make sure this bumper is level and square while you do that, because it does have some room for adjustment. So just keep an eye on that when you install it. Okay, so in order to reach this lower part here, we are going to go ahead and remove this skid plate, so then we can get to these, or you can go ahead and use a ratcheting wrench. We have a ratcheting wrench, so I'm going to leave the skid plate on, but that's how you would do that if you don't have a ratcheting wrench, because this socket won't go there, but the socket does fit up on the top. Again, just check, make sure it's level. All right, so now that this is installed, we can go ahead and put this front bumper back together, all your plastics. So we'll go ahead and do that now, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so now you got your bumper all tightened down, you're ready to go ahead and put your front plastics back together. Make sure, there you go, all your body clips are tight and in place. As you can see, that one just fell off, so just make sure they're all tight in the right position. One thing I forgot to mention that I actually just noticed, make sure your skid plate is outside of the plastics on here. It'll fit in there nice, so you'll notice it, but just make sure that your plastic is behind this front skid plate. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different spots here to mount either pods or a light bar. If I can get a measurement on this for you guys. So you're looking at about 9.5 inches from the outside of that hole to the outside of this hole. So probably pods would work best on this. Some nice sized pods. It's about, center to center is about 8.5 roughly. So yeah, a lot of good options, things to do. These are available on our website. Again, MisFit Garage front bumper, Polaris RZR Pro R. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, please. It definitely helps us out, as well as helps you guys with all the giveaways and product reviews and stuff that we do. And if you have any questions on this bumper or any other products, please feel free to leave us a comment, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching.